lovelies! Today on Simply Loren, I'm going to be teaching you how to change your Candigirl toe stops, as well as a quick little review on the SureGrip toe stops that I got off of Amazon. So that being said, let's get into the video.
Okay guys, so it's super late at night when I'm recording this, so that's why the filming is not as good, and also my friend is currently working on the car as I do this voiceover, so you'll probably hear a lot of clanging in the background. But anyway, today I'm going to teach you how to change your toe stops. These are the toe stops from Amazon. I think they came from a place called happyskate.com. And I will start off by saying that I was pretty underwhelmed with the packaging, but honestly, who buys anything for the packaging anyway? So here's what they look like. They're the SureGrip toe stops, and I got them in the color white. Now, the texture with these is pretty different compared to the Candigirl skate texture. They're a lot more rubbery, and they kind of feel like they've been coated in something, maybe silicone, or I'm not quite sure what it is. But anyway, here they are, your typical toe stop bolt-ons. And here's what they look like on my skate compared to my Candigirl toe stops. You can immediately see the difference in texture between the two, and you also can definitely feel that whenever you are skating. For this reason, I would recommend not using this toe stop indoors, but instead using it outdoors, because it really creates more of a slide on a smooth surface than it does a stop, and that's not good if you're going super fast inside. But for the concrete and asphalt, it's okay. The only exception I can think of is if you're trying to slide or if you want to spin, maybe, and this toe stop can help you glide a little bit better. But for the most part, like I said, keep it outdoors. But on the outdoors note, I will say that I did notice this toe stop particularly tends to break off in chunks. I'm not sure if that's because of the material it's made of, but compared to this Candigirl toe stop, which smoothly grinds down, it might not last as long. All of that being said, today I'm going to be teaching you how to change your toe stops. Also, if my voice is super raspy and I don't sound as happy as I usually do, it's just because I'm sick. I don't have the Rona. Don't worry. I'm just prone to tonsillitis, which isn't contagious when I have it. So back to the video. So as you can see, my toe stops are running really low and I need to change them. So the first thing you're going to need is a new pair of toe stops and also whatever wrench you need for your bolt-on. For my Candigirl skates, you're going to need one of these 316 Allen wrenches. This came in a pack, which was like $6 on Amazon. So if you don't know what size that you need for your personal skates, I recommend just getting one of these. It's really handy to have around anyway. So I realized I didn't get this on film, but basically using this tool, all you're going to do is take out all of the bolts that are already in your toe stops on your skates, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, and then once you get them all off, you can start putting your bolts back into the new toe stop that you're going to replace your old toe stop with. So just for a quick comparison, I put the bolt back into the old Candigirl one, and you can see the difference in size between the two, my new one and the one that's pretty worn down. I could potentially keep skating on these if I really wanted to, because there's a little bit left right here, but honestly, I don't know, I just wanted to switch and try out a new one, so. Also, I wanted to change them just because I know that my bolt started to get scraped against the asphalt since my toe stops were so low. But you're just going to line everything up, stick the screw in, make sure that it's sturdy, and then you can start tightening everything with your Allen wrench. Once you're done doing that, make sure everything is on tightly. Wiggle it around, make sure that it's not going to fall off on you, and you should be good to go.
Once again, thank you for watching. I hope this helped you out a little bit. I'll keep the videos coming. See you guys later. Make sure to subscribe, like my video, leave a comment below, do whatever you feel like doing, or don't. Come back next time. I'll see you later.